Hi. Welcome to the whole new episode of the Influencer Edition. Today's influencer is Gergana Ivanova. Gergana is one of the famous and trending celeb who is popular for being a blogger. Her unique way of photo editing is really trending in Instagram. This is before and after applying this preset. Watch the video till the end and get the free DNG. Password will be appearing on the top right corner.
Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell for upcoming videos. Give your valuable comments below.
So, let's start to edit like Gergana.
And note that we will not be creating the exact same copy, but in a different and unique way. Now let's change the curves in Lights panel. Now go to Colors panel. Now copy the settings to your other photos. If you don't want to waste your time editing, download the free DNG, link in description. This preset is good for, like, any destinations. Please don't forget to adjust the exposure, highlight, contrast, white, black's a bit high if your photos are dark, as well as the shadows, so the color look warmer and just better.